Nestled deep within the verdant embrace of Iporanga's Atlantic Forest, the AC House by Studio Arthur Casas stands as a testament to a profound connection between architecture and nature. More than just a dwelling, it embodies the very essence of the Brazilian landscape, a powerful representation that transcends the clichés of beaches and carnivals. For the architect, this forest, with its sprawling proportions, diverse forms, and untamed beauty, holds the true spirit of Brazil. The house, cloaked in warm sukaru wood, subtly mirrors its surroundings, a gentle attempt to harmonize with the wild tapestry of the forest. The design unfolds as two grand, symmetrical cubes, thoughtfully positioned to cradle an open, airy expanse between them. This architectural configuration fulfills a long-held aspiration of the architect, a sanctuary nestled amidst the trees, a place for rejuvenation and quiet contemplation. Within this context, the house becomes a canvas for one of his core design philosophies, the seamless integration of interior and exterior spaces. This vision culminates in a breathtaking 11-meter-high central space, its walls dissolving into continuous glass windows that stretch from one facade to the other, blurring the lines between the human-made and the natural world. This transparency serves not merely as an aesthetic choice, but as a justification for human presence within this pristine environment. The pervasive use of sukaru wood extends from the walls to the floors, creating a rich, cohesive atmosphere that further deepens the connection with the surrounding forest. Inside, the absence of dividing walls promotes a fluid and integrated living experience. The living room effortlessly merges with the kitchen and the office, fostering a sense of openness and connection. This interconnectedness spills out onto a generous terrace, an extension of the living space that invites immersion in the sights and sounds of the forest. Just a stone's throw away, an elevated deck acts as a natural belvedere, offering privileged views of the untouched fragments of the Atlantic Forest. From this vantage point, one can truly appreciate the raw beauty and untamed spirit that inspired the creation of the AC House. It stands not as a stark imposition on the landscape, but as a thoughtful insertion, a place where human life and the vibrant energy of the forest coexist in harmonious balance.